Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the core assets and concept so you can iterate fast. You sketch several thumbnail ideas and select the strongest silhouette. This helps visibility at tiny sizes. Once chosen, you create a master file at 1024 x 1024 so details scale down cleanly, and you establish a limited palette of 4-6 colors to preserve contrast. Make sure to export the base shapes as vector paths or high-resolution PNGs, so you can refine edges without redoing the whole design. You now move into detailed design and iterative testing. Open your chosen editor and recreate the master as clean vector shapes or crisp pixel art. This ensures scalability and sharpness. Once done, export mockups at 128, 64, 32, and 16 pixels and inspect legibility. Tiny sizes reveal clutter. If something reads poorly, simplify lines, increase stroke weight, or boost contrast. Also export variants with slash without outlines, so you can compare how the emoji performs on light and dark backgrounds. You finish by exporting and packaging the emoji for use or submission. Export PNGs at required sizes, save an optimized SVG for vector platforms, and create a clear file name and keyword list so users can find it. Once packaged, upload or integrate into sticker packs or custom emoji servers. If the emoji appears blurry or misaligned, check Export DPI, ensure pixel snapping or icon grid alignment, and re-export with integer pixel positioning. That single change will often fix fuzziness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.